What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add footnotes into your WordPress website. Now when you are on Wikipedia, for example, and you see some notes on the text, let me show you the example. Here, one example, this is a footnote, okay? So, how to apply footnotes into your WordPress website in a simple, fast, and effective method, okay? Is what we're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favor. So, let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, into search plugins we're gonna type modern footnotes. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. There's basically nothing much to do right here, but if you hover a mouse over settings and click on modern footnotes, you're gonna be into this page where you can customize the plugin. Desktop footnote behavior, show browser tooltip on hover, display footnote lists at bottom of posts. This is recommended. Wikipedia use this, okay, but it's up to you. When printing list footnotes, it's the bottom of the posts. Heading for footnotes list, heading tag name for footnotes list, and some custom CSS, and finally the custom short code. Click on save changes. Now let's move to one of our posts. Let's find a post to open the editor. Remember that you can apply this into any of our pages, posts, custom post types. I'm using posts just as an example, okay? But remember, it's up to you. So here is the text. You're gonna type your text, for example, just like this, okay? Imagine that this paragraph enters right here, and this gonna be your footnote. You're gonna select this, click into this little arrow, call it more, and click on add a footnote. And we are done. Basically, it's all you have to do. If you update the post, and go to the preview, here is the footnote. Simple, easy, fast, and effective. And here is the footnote list into the end of the post. And you can customize this. If you apply another footnote right here, gonna be the number 2, the number 3 right here, and it gonna follows the number of footnotes that you apply. And it can be very effective for descriptive articles, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where you can promote your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blogs, assets, plugins, templates, tools, and many more pro features. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.